There's one bill and 3 people who want it, so nobody gets it. The girls should start saving money. Kate's looking for something to eat. But all of the friends have their own plans for that Nutella. Jane and Lily won't give up this easily. Oh, there's almost nothing in here. Girls, stop! What if we made our own Nutella? We will need some nuts. Let's go gather some. It's good to have delicious food just lying around. Let's remove the shells from the nuts. Don't eat them yet. Along with the nuts, you are going to need some milk, cocoa, sugar, and flour. Grind the nuts into crumbs. Combine the rest of the ingredients in a saucepan with a thick bottom. Mix them properly. Boil the mixture on the stove. Oh, we almost forgot the oil! It'll taste better this way! The chocolate mash should be smooth, and then you can add the nuts. Put the paste you made in a jar. Mmm, delicious! And it saved us so much money! When you are desperate for money, it's time to think about a startup. Jane's got an idea. A hotel for pets. Maybe it could be the beginning of a giant business empire. Here come the customers. Just take the money from them, and the rest will work itself out. Animals are easy to take care of. Fish and hamsters are easy. And the first profit is looking good. It's lunchtime, and the girls haven't eaten anything all day. Oh no! There's not a dime in their pockets. Girls, I have an idea, but we are going to have to make some changes. Makeover time! So that's what they're up to. They want to get food at a free lunch service for the homeless. The volunteer is suspicious. These girls don't look like they are homeless. Clean hair, manicure, and they smell like perfume. But they can't kick out the poor girls. Of course, this is not actually a good idea. It's free, but it's not theirs to take. The friends promised each other they'd volunteer next week to make up for what they did. When there is no money for hair removal, you have to get out your good old razor. But these are so old, they don't shave anything at all. It's a good thing Jane knows the recipe for waxing paste. Combine sugar, water, and lemon juice. Boil the caramel until it thickens. Make sure you wait for the paste to cool down, and then you can get to the fun part. Kate's willing to take a chance. Apply some paste and then pull it off. Ouch! It works just as well as at a salon. And it's way cheaper. You can make a couple of dollars on the beach, too. What do you have there? Sunscreen? We can rent it out. Here comes the first customer. The girls have such a good service going. A nice massage and sun protection in such a beautiful setting. There will probably be plenty of people who want to protect their skin from the sun. But all clients are different. Hey, where are you going? Kate has a hard job. But as soon as she counts her earnings, it's worth it. Who made these rules? Why can't you go to a water park with your own drinks? It's going to cost twice as much for a soda inside. That's just unfair. Besides, we know a good life hack. Fill balloons with soda. Tie them carefully and hide them in your swimsuit. It's a 2-in-1. You've got your soda and you can try a new look. It's like you just came out of the plastic surgeon's office. The guard is impressed. It's a shame you had to quit the gym for a while. There is no money left for the gym this month. Don't worry, you can exercise at home. Or better yet, outdoors. Jumping over a belt is a great workout. It's a good way to strengthen your leg muscles. And water bottles will make great weights. You just need motivation. Even a normal towel can be an exercise tool. And you saved money on a gym membership. The girls are still trying to make money. It's simple. You borrow a scooter from a friend, and then you can rent it out. There will be plenty of people who want to go for a ride. Now make it rain! Woohoo! A sea of clients. Easy money. Life is great. Hopefully the owner of the vehicle doesn't figure out what's going on. Oops! That was awkward. Sometimes even a pound of potatoes can make a profit. There are so many beautiful ideas in Jane's bright mind. Peel the potatoes and cut them into slices. Then fry the potatoes in oil. Put the cooked French fries on a paper towel. We don't have boxes, but you can use plastic cups. And where do you sell your crispy treats? In traffic! A light snack is the perfect way to pass the time. You want some French fries? Money first! But this driver is on a diet. It's okay, there are other clients. Selling fast food in traffic is a great way to make money, and we made a lot! Woohoo! I'd love to see that movie! But it seems like it'll never happen. We don't have money for a ticket. But Lily believes in her beauty. She's convinced the guard will let her in immediately. She's done it a couple of times before. But this security guard is strong. He just kicks her out. But don't give up hope yet. Let's dress up. The girls decided to turn into cleaning ladies because they can go into the movie theater without tickets. The guard better not bother the movie theater staff. He has to let them in. And this is for not letting Lily in just for being pretty. By the way, even a cup of coffee can save you money. But wait for your order, and then you try to pay with a big bill. The biggest one in your wallet. No change? Oh no! Maybe this guy will buy me a cup of coffee? That's so sweet! Thank you! Oh well, happens all the time. Financial troubles are no reason to be sad. You want to treat yourself to getting your eyelashes, nails, and hair done. But it's expensive! But then you see an ad for models for beauty procedures. Looks tempting. The artist can practice. You'll become beautiful, all for free. Let's go! Kate's first to try the experiment. I'd like some light everyday makeup. Free professional makeup sounds promising. The makeup artist is hard at work. But here's the result. Oh no! Where's your bathroom? Jane's not doing well either. She just wanted to trim the ends of her hair, and she got a short haircut. Lily didn't get the best manicure either. She barely escaped a sadist with a nail file and scissors! Oh, they need more training! The girls will need a long time to recover. No more cutting corners when it comes to beauty. Beauty products always run out at the worst possible moment. Hand lotion! How could you do this to me? It's a good thing Kate is great at DIY recipes. Combine some butter and honey. Mix until it's smooth. The lotion is ready. Test it. My skin is so soft. The lotion works. And most importantly, no preservatives or additives. Did you like our money-saving video? Do you know how to cut expenses and save money? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell to keep up with the new sketches on Troom Wow!